Hello friend and customer. Today we are going to the farm, our customer farm, to look for the place that he would like us to install the window in the workshop for him. It is a beautiful farm, very quiet, calm and peace that I fall in love with the farm as always. We don't see much green in the farm because it is a fall season. All the grass become brown bit by bit. They grow slowly to be the brown, and one day they are all brown and gone away from the field soon. Here is their barn, the old, nice barn. The barn is very important part of the farm. Every farm has the barn. It still stands quietly in the farm. Farmers always use the barn to keep for all their truck. The farmer truck, all the equipment, tooling for all the farm tools, inclusive the hay bale, mean the dry grass that they keep for animals in the farm to eat during the winter times. I am always very relaxed when I spend time in the farm. I love to stay in the place like this. It makes me very calm and enjoy the situation of farm. Many farm toolings, equipments, trucks are standing very quietly in this place, waiting for the owner, the farmer, to come to use them. The sky in this season is very beautiful, more than I can describe how they are. You can see that I can't tell anything, but it's really beautiful. Besides of that, there are the happiness, calm, peace, and fascinate to the people who love country. I recall my childhood when I was in Thailand. We lived in the garden that we plant all the trees there. The same thing is that they are quiet and peaceful. Since I moved to live in the state with my husband, I never feel I so sorry to live in the country, but I feel very good, and I think I'm very lucky that I have a chance to live in the country that always peace and calm. It is very comfortable to live our life in the country and living around the farm, the animal in the farm, all the nature that I face is happiness. There are cows, bull, sheep, and pig in the farm. I thought that the sheep has some lambs. There are very cute lambs there. Here is the ring that they put the hay bale into the ring. When the animal in the farm has no green grass to eat, they will come to eat the hay bale in the ring. When the winter comes, the snow comes, they has only the dry grass to eat. It's time for me to go back to help my husband for work. I hope to see you again soon. You take care of the animal. I love you. This circle equipment they use to do the hay bale, to turn the green grass to dry and roll them in the roll. After that, they use the other equipment to roll them up to be the hay bale. This is the trailer to move the animal. In the afternoon, I saw that all the cows moved to live in the wood. They relax and rest in the wood. At the end of my trip, I wish you are very happy and enjoy the time I spent in the farm, and hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.